Hey guys, today we're at our local shopping center. We're gonna go toy hunting. I'm really excited. I really want to get this Shopkins season for metallic fridge, I'm really excited, and which comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins and 2 Petkins.
Jordan, what are you excited about getting, dude?
I'm excited because I'm Batman.
You're Batman? Alright, dude. Okay, so we're gonna go to Walmart, and then we're gonna go to Best Buy, and then we're gonna go to Toys R Us over there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, the kids are like really excited. Okay, let's go, guys. It's really busy here today. Okay. Gonna go look at some video games.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
What is that? It's a remote control Millennium Falcon, Jordan.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Oh, this is that Playmation that they had at the Disney store. That's cool.
I saw this and it's cool, but I don't know how it works.
There is this and this.
And I have
like
no
characters.
idea who he is. And you have to like shoot the bad guys with the arm, the Iron Man.
Hi, baby. What you got? Oh yeah, you want your first camera, baby? No, baby. Can you dance? Can you dance?
Sounds a game.
I am
Ah!
I am Darth Vader.
You make a cute Darth Vader, though. We should buy that and take it to Disneyland. Oh my God, it's so cute. I actually really like it.
Now I
It's like a
see
furry
this.
little thing. It's like a winter
Now I-
hat. What are these? Like all kinds of merchandise. Look at that. Shirts. Avengers. There's those Hulk gloves. I've seen those before.
Yeah.
They're still selling costumes. Ah! Stormtrooper and that's not Darth Vader. What's that guy's name? Lo Ren or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren. I was close.
And I'm surprised to see this here.
Look at disgust. Oh. Everything is so disgusting. Oh.
This is my best impression of disgust.
AJ, look, it's Link.
Yeah, I saw it.
You gotta look like you're irritated with everything. Yeah, turn around and do it. Now fix it and come back and do it.
And you gotta look like green.
Gonna look green. If you're telling me to look green, and one because
You mean you don't have that superpower? Because sometimes when you get mad, I see you turn green.
Do the eye roll.
She's mad at me.
Okay, so I'm gonna do an impression
Yeah.
of anger.
Okay. Oh yeah. You've got good practice with that one. Can you do an impression of joy?
Happy
Oh, this is where I want to
Lego
go.
Dimensions. Back to the Future.
I love that movie. I've seen all 3, and it is the best. You should definitely see it.
Is it better than Harry Potter?
No.
Is it better than Harry Potter?
No.
Am I taking it too far?
Like,
All right.
no.
So look, they have Doctor Who, Back to the Future, Simpsons,
They have
Portal 2, Lego Movie,
Lego
Ninjago,
Jurassic World.
Jurassic World. Oh, hold on. You guys went too fast for me.
And they have Chima. World of Chima.
And Ninjago.
And
Very
they have
cool.
Wizard of Oz.
Is
And
that
Lord
oh,
of Rings.
Cool. Look at Wizard of Oz.
Wizard of Oz was that.
Are they
Lord
all
of
the
Rings.
same? Oh no, look, there's another one. What is that? Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Dude. Where's Gollum?
Gollum. They have it right here.
Oh,
They have Gollum right here.
Give it to
Gollum.
me. My precious. Look, Smeagol. Entering the dimensions. You see, Maya?
I still want that for my birthday.
Ooh, that's a good deal.
Ooh, they have the deluxe party set. I haven't seen that.
What is it? It's like a bunch of...
Yeah, you can make cupcakes, soda, and pizza. And here you can make sundaes, strawberry sundae. Here you can make sodas, different kinds of sodas and mix your own. And there's the burger.
Cool.
I'm excited to try this one.
Well, who says you're gonna get it, girl? Oh, here's that So Cool Fridge.
Oh, where is it? Where?
No, but that's season 3. That's not season 4.
Oh.
This is the
Wait, season 3?
This is a So Cool.
How can you tell? Where does it say?
I don't know.
This is a So Cool game.
Because I can tell because I saw a video on YouTube that shows it. I saw someone do opening.
What's that,
it.
Jordan? What you got there? Is that the supermarket? That's
Yeah,
cool.
that's cool.
You
Oh,
got
I've
that.
been wanting the fashion spree.
That's a shoe dazzle. That's not.
Shoe dazzle.
Oh, this is the fashion boutique, Maya. This is the fashion boutique.
Oh.
Is it season 4?
No, I don't think season 4 is out. I don't know what Maya was
Yeah,
saying.
I saw it on YouTube.
Well,
Maybe they're all sold out.
maybe. Where's the? Let's look here in the Shopkins section. There's more Shopkins here. See, guys?
Ooh.
It's a wall of them.
All of them.
A wall of them.
Lala.
Oh, here it is. Jordan, come. Look.
Ooh, they have vending machines.
Tons of Shopkins.
They have erasers that I've seen.
Really cool Shopkins lunchbox. Let me see.
Oh,
Wow, what's in it? There's a puzzle in it. A 100-piece puzzle. So cool.
I found a double-decker couch, apparently.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
That is awesome.
What is it?
It's a Minecraft.
It's not Minecraft, silly.
I mean Pokemon. Pokemon.
Someone's got their mind all confused.
Game of Thrones, what's that? Iron Fist?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is it like models or something? What is this?
Yeah, it looks like it. Alright, I don't know where my family went. Family! What are you doing? You playing with the balls?
Now I'm gonna look for the biggest.
Good job!
Insert additional warning.
Have her hold.
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended.
Do you like it? Maya, what are you going to do with your 50
I
cents?
might get one of these, but I might yet get this or this because, but these are reusable.
Let me see, Maya. What you got?
I can't open this thing. These are, oh, I think I got Bob.